What's good, YouTube? So today we are gonna go on a journey throughout Phoenix. We've been in the house, with the whole coronavirus thing going on and stuff. We've been on lockdown. So today we're gonna go out. They kind of reduced the restrictions in Arizona. We're not really getting out of the car or anything like that, but I kind of want to drive around, see what's going on, see how everything's on the outside. The world really haven't been out in the drive. And plus, I need some car content for you guys because you guys are missing the Black Eagle. So I'm gonna do a little short car video for you guys today for my car enthusiasts. So welcome back to Richuals. If this is your first time, this channel is about car content, sneaker reviews. Check what's on the feet today, and money tips. So those are the three things that this channel is about. So if you're interested in those things, hit that subscribe button for your boy, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. So with that being said, let me hit you guys with a cold start, because I know it's been a while since you guys heard Eagle roar. So let's get to that. So yeah, this right here is the Black Eagle. Like I said, for those new to the channel, this is my 2018 BMW M2. We call him Black Eagle for obvious reasons. And oh yeah, if you're on IG, go ahead and give me a follow right there at Richuals, same as the YouTube channel. But with that being said, let's get to this cold start, cause I know that's what you want. I know that's what you want. Oh yeah, how y'all like the flags? Wink wink, we working on something, but right now we're focused on the M today. So let's get you guys that cold start. Yeah, Eagle sound good, don't he? Yeah, I know it's been a while, but yeah, that was the cold start. It's like I said, we're gonna just take a journey, pretty much around Arizona a little bit, around Phoenix area, just so I can kind of see what's going on today. Like I said, we won't be getting out the car or anything like that, but just kind of want to get out the house for a little bit. I will be bringing the mask, of course. And yeah, just gonna kind of see what's really going on around these parts, take you guys on a journey, maybe do like some driving, some POV footage as far as the drive, give you guys the cold start. So yeah, just kind of just see what's going on in the world, maybe go look at some cars, without getting out the car. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get to it. definitely will. Cheesecake Factory, getting our food to go. So today there wasn't too much traffic going on, not too many people outside, so I'm proud of y'all, Arizona. I'm proud of y'all. A lot of people on their masks, wasn't too much going on, so I'm proud of y'all. So yeah, I just figured I'd get out the house today, show you guys what's going on in Arizona as far as they open up some of the stores, but they're mostly doing curbside. They're not really going in the actual store. So for the most part, it's curbside delivery. Even at the mall is open, but they're doing curbside. So the restaurants, even the stores, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, all that, they're bringing the items. You order the items, you tell them you're outside. They have designated areas to go, and then they bring the items to your car. There's very few stores that are actually open. The ones that are open, they're only letting a certain amount of people inside the store, and then they're doing social distancing by doing so many feet away from each other, even in the lines. And the restrooms are open, but they got people, for the most part, the ones I've seen, people are standing close to the restrooms to clean them up. So I hope that gives you an idea of what's going on as far as businesses being open. This is the initial phase. So just kind of want to give you guys a video. I took one for the team. I went out there for you guys, something like a news reporter.
Delivery or appointment, but it's an important first step for these small businesses after more than a month of fighting for their very survival. Fox 10's Brian Webb has more tonight. Brian, this is a big step, and we're going to have more of these big steps in the coming week.
Let's go.
Yeah, today you could call one small step for businesses, one giant leap in surviving this pandemic, with another bigger opportunity coming by the end of the week. Right inside the front door at Manor sits a stack of orange sacks, each one ready to be hand-delivered to customers sitting out front in their cars.
I know the shoes, I know the brands, and they're really hard to get, so I think all of that was really cool and really helpful, so I have no complaints.
Quick, easy process, very convenient, and I always like shopping with them.
Manor went from 10% on
Hey!
100% selling most.
So what I need y'all to do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, so you will be in the loop when I post new videos. Thank you guys for watching. We're headed home to go watch some Netflix and eat. Got that cheesecake on the way to the crib. Once again, I want to thank everybody for watching another episode of Rituals. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. Hit that thumbs up button, like smash that button, and share and comment below. Do you want to see more videos of me and Eagle out on some adventures in Arizona? Yo, just comment below, let me know. But hope you guys enjoy that. Just want to give you guys a look of what's going on in Arizona with this whole COVID thing, and how businesses are going back to, I guess, not normal, but they're starting to open up a little bit more. So I just want to show you guys what's going on out here. So let me know what's going on in your area, how things looking. But with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Y'all have a great day, and I'm about to eat me some Cheesecake Factory. Holla!